Welcome to this Windows and computer channel, and this is a quick video to talk about antiviruses and what antivirus is the best. And this is debates all the time. Oh, the best antivirus, I have Norton, that's the best. Oh, Trend Micro, that's the best. Oh, I've got Avast, that's the best. I've got whatever. Free or paid? It's a question that so many people ask all the time. What's the best antivirus? Should I pay for an antivirus? And the straight dope is very simple. Whatever you have is fine. And that's it. That's it. Stop thinking that there's antiviruses out there that are better than others, because honestly, there are several things that happen with antivirus that are often I would say some of them are almost to the brink of kind of being, deceiving you in thinking things. So first of all, very simple rule. The best antivirus is your brain. It's you. It's what you do. And to give you an idea about that, you could run Windows 10 without an antivirus, and if you're just careful with what you do, it would be fine. And it would be okay. And you would not have a virus. There's, once again, that general idea that Windows is plagued with viruses and it's, easy to infect Windows. And, well, it's not as easy as you think, because you got to do something to infect Windows. And doing something means not doing your security updates. That's one major way of getting infected. Downloading illegal software, movies, doing stuff that you shouldn't do, going to illegal sites or weird sites that try to lure you into clicking to some video player, or clicking on every attachment you see in email without even thinking before doing it. That is going to get viruses in your machine. And you know what? You'll get them whether you have an antivirus or not. And that's the thing. As a tech guy, I can tell you the amount of people that had viruses and still had antivirus. Some would have the big, huge package of antiviruses to make sure that they're safe, thinking that's the way you actually make sure your computer is safe. Thing is, these people, if they were not careful, they would get viruses anyway. In 2019, antiviruses have a hard time detecting almost half of all the malware out there. One of the studies that came out a couple of months back was saying that it was close to 50-55% of almost everything that they threw at antiviruses, well, the antivirus didn't even react. Whatever antivirus you were using. So stop thinking your antivirus is better than another. It's not. Stop thinking that antivirus is something that is protecting you. It's not. It's there, and whatever you have is fine. It will in some cases help you in very minor things, but in general, that's not exactly what's going to protect you. You are your first line of defense. So in answering the question, what's the best antivirus? The one you have. It's as simple as that. And you know what? You don't have to pay for an antivirus. In Windows 10, you already have Windows Security, which is fine, which is perfect, which is what you basically, just need. And stop thinking that something is better. Typically, most people that think they need something better is because they're not careful with what they do on the internet. And they get bitten. And they think that maybe, oh, well, that antivirus is no good. And thinking that the antivirus is your protection is the bad way of thinking with all computers. And yes, there's viruses or malware for Mac. Yes, there are infections for Linux. Yes, every operating system can get infected. Every. They all have security flaws. They all have ways that you can actually infect a device. So be careful. That's really the rule number one. I'll get tons of comments here. It's like, oh, well, I used that because the other one didn't see things. Well, they shouldn't see things. And one of the ways that they deceive you, some of them will actually have you thinking that some files that they detected are bad, when in reality they are regular files that are probably there for some reason, but that they will say, oh well, you know, you got cookies, that's dangerous. That's going a little far. And just remember that what you do on your PC is what will protect you. So that the best antivirus you have is your brain, and whatever you have on your PC will be fine. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.